Planning your first trip to Istanbul? Then you've clicked on the right video. Welcome to Istanbul, landing at the Istanbul airport, where the local currency is the Turkish lira. From here, you've got a few options to reach the city center. Taxis are readily available, buses are a cheaper alternative, or you could opt for private transfer services for a more comfortable ride. So you've successfully navigated from the airport to the heart of Istanbul. Now, let's find you a place to stay. Finding the perfect place to stay in Istanbul can be a bit of a challenge, especially for first-time visitors. The city is overflowing with delightful districts, each offering a unique flavor of Turkish culture. For instance, Sultanahmet, steeped in history, is a hub for those eager to visit the city's famous landmarks. Here, you'll find a blend of luxury hotels and budget-friendly hostels, all within walking distance of the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more contemporary vibe, Beyoğlu might be your cup of tea. Known for its vibrant nightlife and trendy boutiques, this neighborhood offers a mix of traditional guest houses and modern apartments for rent. From quaint bed and breakfasts in the charming district of Balat to five-star hotels overlooking the Bosphorus in Besiktas, Istanbul's accommodation options are as diverse as the city itself. With a comfortable place to rest your head, you're ready to explore the sights and sounds of Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that's rich in history, culture, and breathtaking sights. As we delve into the heart of this vibrant city, our exploration takes us to some must-visit tourist sites. The Hagia Sophia, a monument that stood the test of time, encapsulates centuries of history within its walls, bearing witness to the rise and fall of empires. Not far from the Hagia Sophia is the Blue Mosque, an architectural marvel that leaves visitors spellbound with its 6 towering minarets and intricate Iznik tilework. As we wander through the city, the grandeur of the Topkapi Palace unfolds before our eyes. This royal residence of Ottoman sultans is now a museum, housing priceless treasures and offering a peek into the opulent lives of the sultans. And then there's the Grand Bazaar, a bustling labyrinth of over 4,000 shops where you can shop for everything from Turkish carpets to exotic spices. But the exploration of Istanbul isn't just about sightseeing, it's also a culinary journey. Sink your teeth into succulent kebabs, savor the sweet layers of baklava, and let the robust flavors of Turkish tea wash it all down. The city's food is a delightful fusion of flavors that mirror its rich cultural tapestry. You might be wondering about the best time to visit Istanbul. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to travel. Istanbul, a city of breathtaking beauty, is a year-round destination. However, spring and autumn offer the most pleasant temperatures and fewer tourist crowds. April to May and September to mid-November are particularly delightful with mild weather, perfect for strolling through the city's historic streets and vibrant markets. Speaking of markets, Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is a treasure trove of unique souvenirs. Don't miss out on the chance to bring a piece of Istanbul back home. Turkish Delight, a sweet confectionery treat, makes for a delightful gift. The traditional ceramics, intricately painted in vibrant colors, are another must-buy. They are not just souvenirs, but pieces of art that tell the story of this ancient city. Remember, timing and thoughtful shopping can make your trip even more memorable. With these tips in mind, you're fully prepared for an unforgettable trip to Istanbul. Before we wrap up, let's dive a little deeper into what makes Istanbul truly unique. It's not just a city of breathtaking sights and delicious cuisine, it's also a city that straddles 2 continents and is steeped in spirituality. Let's start with a spiritual practice that originated here in Turkey, the dervish dance. This is a ritual of the Sufis, also known as the whirling dervishes. This mesmerizing dance is not just a cultural performance, it's a form of meditation and a symbol of the universe's movement. If you get a chance, try to witness one of these performances. It's an experience that will touch your soul. Next, let's talk about Istanbul's unique geography. This is the only city in the world that straddles 2 continents, Europe and Asia. This unique position has made Istanbul a melting pot of Eastern and Western cultures, influencing everything from its architecture, food, to its way of life. A simple ferry ride can take you from one continent to another in less than 20 minutes. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment or geographical wonders, Istanbul has it all. This is what makes Istanbul more than just a city, but a unique experience that's waiting for you to discover. So, are you ready to embark on this adventure? As we draw our journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible city that is Istanbul. From the awe-inspiring Hagia Sophia a testament to Istanbul's rich history as both a Christian and Muslim city, to the bustling labyrinth of the Grand Bazaar, where you can haggle for unique treasures and indulge in delectable Turkish delights. Let's not forget the city's rich and diverse food scene, offering a culinary journey from savory kebabs to sweet baklavas, and the Turkish tea that is a staple in every social gathering. Remember, the best times to travel to Istanbul are in the spring and autumn when the weather is at its finest. And don't forget our invaluable travel tips for a smooth journey. Be sure to keep an open mind, respect the local culture, and don't be afraid to explore. So you're all set for your first trip to Istanbul. We hope this guide has been helpful in planning your visit to this unique city that straddles 2 continents. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what other travel guides you'd like to see. Safe travels everyone, and farewell to Istanbul.